A few months ago, I was diagnosed with a brain clot and I flew to India for my treatment. Why India? You might be surprised. India offers world-class facilities, expert doctors, and advanced technology. And Max Hospitals stood out for the way they support international patients throughout their entire treatment journey. From flights and medical visa to stay arrangements, translators, meals, and even travel support, everything was taken care of. I did not feel alone for a single moment. They even sent a team to receive me at the airport. The next day, I visited the world-class facilities, met the experts, and began my treatment. That was the beginning of my healing journey with Max Hospitals India. Thank you for your wishes and support.